Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about arithmetic and geometric sequences. So the first thing is the arithmetic sequences, and that's really just adding and subtracting. The formula for the nth term is a of n equals a1 of n minus 1 times d, and you'll see that in context. The common difference is d, and then the sum of the terms is given by this formula here, where that is a fancy little s. It just has like a little thing down at the bottom. All right, and then with geometric sequences, it's going to be multiplying and dividing. And the nth term is given by an equals a1 r to the power of n minus 1. The common ratio is r, and the sum of the n terms is this summation thing down here. All right, so convergent or divergent. If r, so if the number that you're multiplying is less than 0, then the sequence is going to diverge. All right, diverges, the way that I wrote it there. Okay, and then if r is between 0 and 1, then the sequence is going to converge. Okay, so let's see what we're multiplying by each time, see if that's greater than 1 or if it's between 0 and 1, and that will determine whether the sequence is going to converge or diverge. So let's look at this first one, 1/2 to 1/4 to 1/8 to 1/16. So each time what we're multiplying by is 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2, and so on and so forth each time. So that means that our R value is 1/2, and since 1/2 is between 0 and 1, and we can write it like this, that means that this sequence is going to converge. Okay. And what converges means is that it's going towards a number. So this number is just going to keep getting smaller and smaller. And matter of fact, this is going to approach 0. But really converging means it's just going towards a number. So this one is particularly going towards 0. All right, so let's see this next one. All right, from 3 to -6, that's multiplying by -2. Multiplying by -2, multiplying by -2, and so on and so forth. So each time it's multiplying by -2. So since this -2 is less than 0, we can write it like this. That means this sequence is going to diverge. Okay. And this means that it's not approaching anything. You can see it's going back and forth between negatives and positives. This is not going anywhere and not approaching anything. Okay, so let's go to the next one. And these are kind of nice because the R value is just going to be in the middle here. So this is 1/2 4 to the power of n minus 1. This 4 is going to be your R value, so the one that's in parentheses. So for the first one, R equals 4. And since 4 is greater than 0, that means this is going to diverge. So let's look at the next one. We have R is equal to 1/4. And since 1/4 is less than 0, that means this sequence is it's between 0 and 1. And I actually wrote this incorrectly, so just let me fix this. It's between 1 and 0, so that means this sequence is going to converge. Okay. So we're going to move on to the next section now, which is going to be finding different terms and things like that. So please stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye.